Dinosaur classification. Reverend Richard Owen coined the term Dinosauria around 1841. The Dinosauria clade is separated into two orders, Saurischia and Ornithischia. In 1878, O.C. Marsh separated dinosaurs into four orders. In 1887, Professor Harry Seeley noted that dinosaurs could be divided into two distinct groups based on the structure of their hip bones. A single primary difference that's unique to dinosaurs. Saurischia means lizard-hipped. In this structure, the pubis bone points forward. This type of hip is considered more primitive. Other Saurischia features include an opening below the nostril called subnarial foramen, elongation on some neck vertebrae, a big thumb, and an extra wedge-shaped ankle bone called astragalus. This order includes both plant and meat eaters. Saurischeans can be further broken down into two subgroups, theropods and sauropodomorphs. Theropods were bipedal and mostly carnivorous. Some were feathered, such as Velociraptor. Another example of a theropod is Tyrannosaurus. Theropods is the group that birds descended from. Sauropodomorphs had small heads on long necks. This group included prosauropods and sauropods. Prosauropods came before the sauropods, and they were much smaller. They walked on 2 or 4 legs. Sauropods were giant quadrupedal herbivores. The largest land animals that ever lived were Saurischean dinosaurs. The other order under Dinosauria is ornithischians. Ornithischian means bird-hipped. In these dinosaurs, the pubis points backwards, parallel with the ischium. They were originally thought to have hips similar to birds, though modern birds are considered Saurischean dinosaurs because they share many more advanced skeletal features. Other important ornithischian characteristics include an herbivorous diet, and a beak-like bone in the lower jaw, called a predentary bone. This beak-like bone sits in front of the teeth of the lower jaw. They also have a narrow palebrale, the bone that crosses the outside of the eye socket, and bony tendons above the sacral area of the vertebrae. Ornithischians are divided into two clades, Thyreophora and Sauropoda. Thyreophora includes Stegosauria, such as Stegosaurus, Kentrosaurus, and Huayangosaurus. Sauropoda includes Marginocephalia and Ornithopoda. Ornithopoda, not to be confused with ornithischians. Marginocephalia means fringed heads, and includes ceratopsians such as Triceratops and Styracosaurus, as well as Pachycephalosauria, which includes Pachycephalosaurus and Stegosaurus. Pachycephalosauria are characterized by their thick skulls. The other subgroup of Sauropoda is the ornithopods. The ornithopods can be further broken down into a few different groups, but let's keep it simple. It includes hadrosaurs, aka the duck-billed dinosaurs, such as Edmontosaurus and Parasaurolophus, and it includes Iguanodontidae, such as Iguanodon and Ouranosaurus. So that seems like a lot of information, and it is. But there are over 900 distinct genera and over 1,000 different species of dinosaurs. I've barely scratched the surface of dinosaur taxonomy. Is there any other topic you want to see me discuss, or a dinosaur you'd like to see me paint? Leave a comment and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Usually I have my notebook in my lap and I look down and I try to remember a sentence and then I look up and say it, but I mess up so many times. So this time I put my notebook behind the camera and it is so much faster, so much smoother, very little memorization because I write word for word what I want to say and it's right there and it's so much better.